You guys, today we are making Okpa, also known as Bambara pudding, and is mostly eaten in the eastern part of Nigeria. Okpa flour is gotten from Bambara nut. When you blend it, you get Okpa flour. Okpa is very simple to make, so keep watching and let's get started. To make this recipe, you need palm oil, good quality palm oil that will not tamper the taste of your Okpa, pepper, add to your taste, salt, and of course Okpa flour. To portion it, you need nylon, emphasis on white nylon. Now I'm going to transfer the Okpa flour in a bowl, add palm oil. I will begin to mix, making sure that the palm oil is well distributed. Once that is done, I will begin to add my warm water, mix until I achieve the right consistency. Once that is done, I will pass it through my sieve to achieve a smooth texture. As I said earlier, this recipe is very simple to make. When you get the right consistency, smooth texture, then add your salt and pepper. You are good to go. Okpa has its natural taste, so try and keep it simple so that you don't tamper the original taste by adding maggi, crayfish and all that. No, you don't need all that. Now I'm going to add my pepper and salt. You guys, this pepper is not hot at all, so don't be scared. Please add pepper to your taste. I'm going to stir until well combined and taste for salt. I will begin to portion as demonstrated in the video. I will continue the process until I am done. Once that is done, I will transfer in my boiling water and cook for 30 minutes. Minutes later, I check on it and it's ready. I'm going to scoop it out, serve and enjoy. It came out really delicious. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.